questions. So
I'm talking about your commentary,
no,
but
I know, but I do want to ask some questions. So if I was with Daphne, could I do any damage? Like basically, so let me ask you: do you have a size requirement? What do I gotta? What do I have to bring to the table?
well,
I'm being honest too.
it's the meat and bones of things. um, well, I would say that it's really all about the motion in the ocean. I feel
Stop.
like
Stop it. Stop.
no,
Listen,
I
girl,
mean this
we,
is
we watched it. Watched it.
yeah, but there's you know I'm like, what can I say? You saw what you saw, but then you also saw something else.